Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove downloads in another device for Netflix. Let's start! So, we know that you could actually watch or access your Netflix in different devices and you can even watch simultaneously, right? And there's an easy way for you to basically manage your downloads if you want to remove that from a certain device. Say, for example, my son or my daughter has mistakenly access, or I just want to make sure that I control in terms of the things that they watch that's not appropriate for their age. So, there are ways for you to manage your downloads and remove that from their device. So, I'll show you how it's done. You can only do this in website, guys, and not in mobile app, okay? So say for instance you just want to go a quick go to, if you don't know or if you forget after watching this video, you could always go to help center and then you could actually just type how to remove downloads from our devices. There's a lot of ways that Netflix can actually help you in their help center. So I'm going to show you how it's done. When you go to your account, guys, and then you would access your account profile. So just not to make sure I'm showing my personal information, I am just actually going down to the bottom of the page, go to settings, and there's an option there that says manage download devices. So say for instance I have a list of devices where there's like downloads. You could actually see a list in here, and this is where you could actually remove them. There's also a way for you to, if you want to sign out to all devices, you could also click on this one. You may do that as well. Okay? So if you want to learn more about Netflix videos, you could subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit on thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.